Hi everyone, welcome to another video of tutorial. Today's video is about L-shaped stair design part 4. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's go. We have it here on a 3D design. It's open area which is gonna be designing the L-shaped stair. So let's go to the ground floor. And then here we have on the plan designing the L-shaped stair. If you want to see it on AutoCAD, let's have a look. Here overall the distance is from here to here is gonna be 1.17, which is 1117, and over here is gonna be 0.95. So, and if you want to see the thickness of that riser or the trender, like we are gonna have here, let's have a look. Over here the distance between it is gonna be 0.18, the rise, and the going is gonna be 30 or 0.3. So let's go see on the ground floor. This is how it's look like. So I'm gonna go to the ArchiCAD and go to the stair tool, and then we select over here the input method, which is the railing. We're gonna select it over here now, because if you design it one time stair, you're gonna select a railing for it alone. So for now we're gonna select it, and after that when you start decorating the internal, you can remove it or you can work on the railing. But we're gonna go over here and we're gonna select over finishing. If you are click on here like this, just remove it, we don't need it at the moment. So over here let's check the flight, the concrete and everything. Check over here the override surface, the concrete. The second is the landing, and then we're gonna see over here how it's look like. It's already like designing the similar for this and this. So the other things, if you want to go over here, how many stairs? So as we know, over here it is written 18, so I'm gonna select it of 18. And then here the distance is gonna be 1.170, and here is gonna be depending, like as I saw this one 0.18, so I'm gonna go with this one, and he's gonna fix for me how it's gonna go. Or you're gonna just click on fix it going deep, and you're gonna write your own going. But for me, I'm fine with that, how it's gonna work for me. So also here the incline, for example, if you wanna just adjust the incline like this or no, or you wanna make it like 90 degree, like for example say like 90 degree, you can do that. But already we have here fix it straight riser, so I'm gonna go with this one. So the rest thing is to give you an idea of the rule and the standard, walking line calculation and sample, and headroom. So we're gonna click OK for this, and then we select over here. Another thing, which is the bottom and the top. So my dips is the beam is 300, and the top of the beam is also 300, so we're gonna go with 300 overall. And then we click over here, just go to the other point over here. We have a column over here, but we can adjust it over that, don't worry. But we just click over here, and then we just do upgoing like this. Okay, just click on this point. Sorry, let me zoom in, it's gonna be more clear. Good. So what I said is I'm gonna make it closer, so select on the stair and the railing, shift select, and then we're gonna move it a little bit closer to the column like this. And let's have a look on 3D. Oh, good. So it is closed, so it's so good, don't you think? Yeah. So over here is also organized, so we have open area a little bit, so I'm gonna work with that, which is this one. I will just try to close it. Select this one and then move a little bit. I'll just select this one, which is this one written on rearrange steps. So select it, and then it just trying to arrange it a little bit. Yep, it's good. Oh, it's not moving, sorry. Just trying to close it. Hold on. Just yep, it's good. This is how it's look like. And as we've seen, the first and second, it is organized the way I wanted. But the other part, which is here, I made it in the design, which is over here. I made it 0.95. If you don't want to do that, like you can adjust the size. I made update my plan again, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you how we do that. I'll just select over here. Hold on, I have here a problem, which is over here. It is until this point. Okay, good. So let's see, we have an extra. Yeah, we have an extra. Good, it's good. We have an extra, so I fix it. Because on the plan, I'm gonna show you something which is not clear for everyone. I mean here it's showing only 1 and 2. The third number should be here. I haven't written it. Or I can do like the previous one, which was back. We go back. We just go back, and it's gonna be done like that. You got me? So we can do in 2 different ways. So it's depend how you like it. But I found this one is also nice because automatically ArchiCAD is make for you the stair design so easy. So you just select and you can change the structure again after you analyze it. But for me, because I analyze it, it is finished. I will just try to go by review, and then I will try to this one. I'll just to adjust it over here. It's gonna be automatically adjusted. It says good part, and I will put over here also this one. I will just try to put it over here. Good. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's so nice and simple. This is how it's look like, but I prefer for you to close it to look more like modern and whatever shape it's look like. But this is how it's look like. I will just, the other part is gonna be like weird for you, which is this one. I'm gonna this one, skip and select this point because the railing is not the same edged part. Sorry, but I will try to. Yep, this is it. So overall, the railing is gonna give you like just a hint and idea. But for me, like it is just reflect because I'm gonna work on this retail after I start doing the finishing and everything. It will be removed overall because also I upload a video how to work on railing, so you're gonna have an idea about it. But for now, just leave it like this, or just don't draw at all with railing, and then you will add another time by selecting over here the railing tool, and that's all. If you have any questions, you can just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and thank you for watching.